Whoa. Jeez. Wasn't. Well, she kind of has landed on the phone, but hello down there. Just wanted to show you her tail feathers, I guess. See if I can get her back down. Nope. Oh, come on, sweetie. To you too. Come on, babe. There we go. There you go. You can see people now. Or you can see yourself. You're going to jump on the phone again. You can do it. No, you don't want to do it now. Okay, maybe she might. Yep. Amazing. Oh, what was that? It's a foot. I thought she was peering down the screen. Oh, there. It was just covering the camera with her feet. Have a lovely day.